Hi, and welcome to Berkeley, where you can own a modern single-family home or townhome in Spartanburg's newest and only amenity-filled community, with charming curb appeal located 7 minutes from downtown. At Berkeley, we have 3 distinct collections of homes, so you're sure to find just what you're looking for. I'm Lisa, and I can't wait to show you around. Let's get started. The vision for this community is truly masterful. Make memories together while enjoying the impressive community amenities. Imagine life with a sparkling zero-entry junior Olympic pool and cabana, the perfect place for neighborhood gatherings. If you're looking to let the little ones burn off some steam, then look no further than the recreation area that's ideal for a pickup game of soccer or tag, or enjoy the community playground. Beyond loving your community and all it will offer, you've got to love your home inside and out. Here at Berkeley, you will appreciate the selection of homes. Choose from several ranch, 2-story, or townhome plans that fit your lifestyle. From the outside in, you get to add your signature touch to your home by selecting your exterior look that includes brick or stone accents. You can rest assured these curated finishes will perfectly blend together to create the home of your dreams. Living in this location is ideal for accessing all that Spartanburg has to offer. Let me show you around. Imagine the ease of the mornings when you are just 3 minutes to Spartanburg High School's breathtaking campus. And being just minutes to Publix, Target, Home Depot, Starbucks, and other popular retailers makes everyday living simpler. You'll love living only 7 minutes away from downtown Spartanburg, the ideal location to enjoy local breweries, restaurants, and the arts. And if you're needing to commute to work, then you'll appreciate being just 4 minutes away from interstate access. Are you imagining your life here at Berkeley? Be sure to take the next step and schedule your appointment today. I can't wait to welcome you home.